Welcome to Sparks Toyota. My name is Casey Cameron. I'm one of the sales and leasing consultants here. I'd like to take you out on our lot today to show you one of our new arrivals. Here we have a 2010 Mercedes-Benz S-Class S550. It has a clean Carfax report. It comes equipped with auto-dimming, power folding heated side mirrors with signals, chrome trim, noise insulating glass, and much more. The 2010 Mercedes-Benz S-Class remains the definitive premium luxury sedan. This Mercedes-Benz has 18-inch 5-spoke aluminum alloy wheels and all-season tires with lots of tread left. There's also a tire pressure monitoring system for convenience and safety. As you can see, this Mercedes-Benz is in great condition. It has bi-xenon automatic headlamps with heated washers, adaptive high beam assist, and cornering lights, along with fog lights, rain sensing heated wipers, and a really nice grille to tie it all together. Under the hood, you have an 8-cylinder, 5.5 liter engine with an automatic transmission. This Mercedes-Benz has rear-wheel drive, and it's estimated that drivers receive 18 miles per gallon on average. Let's not forget that this Mercedes-Benz has only 48,456 miles on it. At the back of the Mercedes-Benz, you can see the antenna, the dual exhaust, large LED brake lights, and sleek badging. Using your key fob, you can open the power trunk lid for easy access to the cargo area. Look into the cargo area. You see it's very spacious, and the back seats fold down easily for more space as needed. This cargo area also features cargo nets and lights for packing or unpacking at night. In the back seat, you'll notice that this Mercedes-Benz has been very well taken care of. Passengers can use the fold-down armrests with storage and cup holders, as well as the power outlets and seat back pockets. There's also child safety door locks for peace of mind. The front of the cabin is well appointed with nice dark burl walnut interior wood trim. Drivers will be very comfortable in the power adjustable heated and cooled leather seating with memory. You have a large console with storage, plenty of cup holders, and another power outlet. This Mercedes-Benz is also equipped with a locking glove box, a garage door opener, and a push-button start. This Mercedes-Benz has a very comfortable power tilting and telescoping leather-wrapped steering wheel with memory and on-wheel controls for the cruise, audio, and Bluetooth features. It's also equipped with a very well-lit instrument cluster. Now here's a feature everyone can enjoy: the tilting and sliding power moonroof. The center stack is your home to your multimedia and navigation features, and it's paired with 15-speaker surround sound system. This includes your classic AM/FM radio with a 6-disc CD changer. It's MP3, Sirius XM, and Bluetooth compatible, and you can easily connect devices using the aux port. This advanced system even has voice control. You also have dual zone, automatic climate controls, and everything is very easy to use. Take a look at this backup camera. It's very clear and has guidelines to make backing up a breeze. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 888-272-5869 or visit us at sparkstoyota.com. Thank you.